नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में बागवानी के विकास की संभावना पर चर्चा करें, साथ ही राज्य में बागवानी से जुड़ी समस्याओं पर भी चर्चा करेंगे। 200 वर्ड्स में पूछा जा सकता है, डिस्कस द पॉसिबिलिटीज़ ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर इन यूपी एंड ऑल्सो डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू द हॉर्टिकल्चर सेक्टर इन द स्टेट। सो इंट्रोडक्शन लिखेंगे 20 से 25 शब्द में, मेन बॉडी होगी 150 से 160 शब्द में, कंक्लूजन होगा 15 से 20 शब्द में। ओके, सो हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप्स कवर अ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, floriculture, food processing, and beekeeping, and states varied agroclimate permits growing of a large number of these crops throughout the year, enabling them availability on a regular basis. So potential of Uttar Pradesh in horticulture. UP ranks first in India in the production of horticulture crops. Also 10% of the total production of fruits and 15% of the total production of vegetables take place in UP. ये हेडिंग थी आपकी पोटेंशियल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश इन हॉर्टिकल्चर। ओके, अब नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है डाइवर्स एग्रो क्लाइमेट कंडीशन। उत्तर प्रदेश इज enriched with 9 diverse agroclimate conditions which support a diverse crop variety in state, provides great potential for diverse horticulture crop. UP is enriched with 9 diverse agroclimate condition which support diverse crop variety in state, provides great potential for diverse horticulture crop. Next heading is agro-based state. So UP is an agro-based state. About 70% of population is dependent on agriculture. Out of 90% shares goes to small and marginal farmers. UP has a leading position in agriculture sector in terms of total production of food grains, horticulture products, milk and meat. Okay, so agro based state. UP is an agro based state. About 70% of population is dependent on agriculture, out of which 90% shares goes to small and marginal farmers. So it is saying 70% of population is dependent on agriculture. आउट ऑफ 90%, मतलब 70% एग्रीकल्चर में है, 70% का 90% शेयर गोज़ टू स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स, मतलब टोटल हो गया 63% अगर देखा जाए तो जो है वो स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स को जाता है। यूपी हैज़ आ लीडिंग पोजीशन इन द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ टोटल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फूड, grains and horticulture products, milk and meat. UP has a leading position in the agriculture sector in terms of total production of food, grains, horticultural products, milk and meat. Okay, the next heading is source of income. For more than 92% of small holding farmers, horticultural crops are main source of higher income, employment and nutrition per unit area. For more than 92% of small holding farmers, for more than 92% of small holding farmers, horticultural crops are main source of higher income. Horticultural crops are main source of higher income, employment and nutrition per unit area. Next point is, as per agroforestry report 2023, share of the state in cultivation of fruits and vegetables has increased from 7.2% to 9.2% in the country. As per agroforestry report 2023, the share of state in cultivation of fruits and vegetables has increased from 7.2% to 9.2% in the country. The next is large market. There is a great potential for setting up horticulture and food processing industries in the state. due to the large market, low cost of production, and adequate availability of raw produce. Besides human resource, there is a huge demand of horticulture produce like strawberries, dragon fruit, and flower in UP. Okay, so this is large market. The next heading is export opportunities, agricultural export policy, and availability of global market for it through national waterway 01. Okay, so the headings are like potential of Uttar Pradesh in horticulture, potential of Uttar Pradesh in horticulture, diverse agroclimate condition, diverse agroclimate conditions, agro-based state, agro-based state, source of income. Next is large market, and next is export opportunities. Okay, so अब बात करेंगे challenges of horticulture sector in UP. So first one is fair price. Lack of fair price is in most of the horticulture crop is discouraging for the farmer of state for the horticulture sector. Fair price की बात है. Storage challenge. Most horticulture products are perishable, and lack of proper storage infrastructure result in post harvest losses, reducing the shelf life and market value of horticultural produce. Storage challenge. Okay, the next is poor market linkage, inadequate transportation networks from the crop field to market lead to spoilage and wastage of perishable horticultural commodities, which ultimately become the loss of farmers' income. पुअर मार्केट लिंकेज को क्या कहेंगे? इनएडिक्वेट नेटवर्क्स फ्रॉम द क्रॉप फील्ड टू मार्केट लीड, to spoilage and wastage of perishable horticultural commodities, which ultimately become the loss of farmers' income. Okay, the next point is pests and diseases. Horticulture products are more susceptible to pest and disease attacks, which reduces productivity. Horticulture products are more susceptible to pest and disease attacks, which reduce productivity. So pests and diseases वाला भी हो गया. Next देखते हैं non adequate farmers training. Farmers need special training and awareness to grow horticulture products, but lack of proper training to Indian farmers is a major challenge. Okay, so अब बात करते हैं effort by UP government to promote horticulture. ये एक अलग टाइप का हेडिंग हो गया. सो इसमें क्या है? यूपी फर्स्ट इको फ्रेंडली एरोमा क्लस्टर इन बाराबंकी बाई CIMAP. Number 2, Chief Minister Orchid Orchard Scheme. Okay, Chief Minister Orchard Scheme. Next is one district, one product. Okay, the next is development of a fruit belt. Next is grant for the establishment of cold storage. Next is a training and awareness programs for farmers. So these are the effort by UP government to promote horticulture. Chief Minister का orchard scheme. Orchard. ओके, वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन प्रोडक्ट एक प्रोग्राम है, और डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्रूट बेल्ट भी है, ग्रांट फॉर द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ कोल्ड स्टोरेज है, ट्रेनिंग एंड अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम बाय फार्मर्स है. मैंगो पार्क लखनऊ देख लेते हैं. विद द एम ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन टू फार्मर्स अबाउट 108 वेराइटीज़ लाइक आम्रपाली, अंबिका, दशहरी, चौसा अंडर मिशन अमृत 2.0. Okay, proper development of horticulture in the scheme can increase farmers' income by providing them additional opportunities, and also increase employment opportunity by encouraging food processing industries in the state.